You old bitch. So what's the baby gonna be today? Oh, now what's happening? What the hell? What the hell?
Just hurry up and put it.
Look, it doesn't take a while.
It doesn't want your penis anymore, buddy.
You have to hurry and put the
Straighten
number
it.
in.
No, you don't.
So I do that and I get the
Okay.
Let me see it. Let me see it.
I need a straight dollar. This one's gay. So do it for me. Just put yours in the work. If it works, I'll use my dollar.
fucking two.
Buddy, you fucked it too much.
Look, these are cheaper.
I thought you were getting your Fiber One shit. That one doesn't take.
Oh my god.
Let me see your dollar. I'll fix it.
There you go.
Go.
Watch it. It's an orgasm. Watch. It's a boy. That was change.
It's only $1. It's $1.
It's 90 cents.
They have it wrong.
I want my money back.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry to your baby.
I'm sorry, boy. Wait.
It's $1.